This is Diane Hayes with ES Property Management. We're standing in front of 4003 Steelewater Lane in Indianapolis, Indiana. It's a gorgeous mid-November afternoon, 2020. This 3-bedroom, 2 full bath, ranch-style brick front home has been totally renovated inside. It's beautiful. But before we go in, I want you to have a look at your neighborhood here. We're in Lawrence Township. Really beautifully maintained homes. You've got nice mature trees here. Nice wide street, sidewalks on either side for those early morning, afternoon, or evening walks. And being in this location, less than 20 minutes from downtown Indianapolis with all that the city has to offer, great shopping, entertainment, sporting events, and the like. All right, well, let's go on and approach the home now. Directly in front of us is your attached 2-car garage. This comes with remote openers. And then we're going to come around. We've got some nice shrubbery here in the front of the home. We're going to take one step up, a little bit of a covered porch, nice for friends and family to enter during the different weather elements throughout the seasons. All right, here we are at the entrance of the home now. So directly in front of us is the great room. To the right of that is your kitchen. To the left is the master suite. And to the left here where this door is your utility and laundry room and access to that attached 2-car garage. And then you've got 1 bedroom right here, right off the front entrance, and then another bedroom and linen closet and toilet area right down the hall there. So before we go in, I want you to see these gorgeous vinyl wood flooring. You've got plush carpeting in here in lovely neutral tones along with a fresh paint, lots of upgrades. So let's go on into this first bedroom here on the right. So the home is 1,106 square feet. Here's our first bedroom. This is facing the front of the home. And you could easily fit a double bed in this room. Even a queen size bed would fit. And then we're going to come down here to our left. Here's that laundry and utility room. We've got attached there, and we're going to come around here to your coat closet. Nice layout here. You've got this nice little architecture right here. And then you've got a linen closet here. Here's bathroom, full tub shower combo bathroom. You've got that beautiful subway tiling for a really classic look. Again, it's beautiful flooring in here. And then here is a second bedroom facing the side of the home. And you could fit a double bed in this room, bunk beds. Good closet space in there as well. And we're going to come back out and make a right. And this is our great room. Beautiful, high vaulted ceilings. Let's see if I can give you a look at this room from another angle. Get some other light on it. Yeah, that's a little better. You can see the vaulted ceilings there. Let's go on over to the master suite. So this is off of the living room. Nice large master suite. You could easily fit a king-size bed in this room. You've got the 2 closets there. And then I'm going to step over here so you can get a sense of the size of this room. You could fit some really nice furniture in here with that king-size bed. And then we're going to come into your private bath. So again, full tub shower combo bathroom in here with that beautiful subway tiling and flooring. There's your vanity, new lighting fixtures, finish on that vanity. And then we're going to come back out of the master suite. Give you a sense of the size of your great room. Again, from this angle. And then here's our eat-in kitchen. All the appliances are included. You've got your refrigerator, electric range oven. There's your dishwasher, double stainless sink with garbage disposal. And we'll come around so you can have a look at the space from this angle here. And then, of course, you've got a door going out to the back area, little concrete step there. And then there's your backyard area with a little bit of privacy there from the neighbor's privacy fence. Beautiful, beautiful renovation on this property. Well, this is ES Property Management, and we hope this video will help you decide if this will be your next home.